How to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about transferring money from your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. So now let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, then go to paypal.com and log into your specific account. Now once you're logged in, go to the payment section. So for that, you need to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen, that is between notifications and log out option. Tap on that. Now go to payments, that is between data and privacy and notifications. Tap on that again. Now here you will see the option of automatic payments and online purchases. Here you can choose a funding source at checkout. And for automatic payments, you can view and update all your subscriptions and automatic payments. Or you can go to your home page and tap on link a new card, then tap a link a card and enter your Payoneer account details. You will need your Payoneer account's routing and account numbers. Link your Payoneer account, and after entering the details, link your Payoneer account by tapping on link card and then transfer your funds. Now you can easily transfer money by selecting your Payoneer account as the destination when sending the money. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.